everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. And today we're gonna make fish fry masala. I've got very good fresh sardine. It was around 2 kg of sardine that I've got, and it's so nice and fresh, you can see that. And I'm not going to make any cut on this. I'm just gonna have the masala on this like as it is. Okay, I like to have that head a little bit on that. That is why I've left those eyes in there. Okay, and let me show you what are the ingredients I need. This is fish fry masala. This is optional. I've taken 3 spoons of fish fry masala. I've taken a quarter spoon of turmeric in this spoon. I've taken a half spoon of pepper and 4 spoons of coriander powder and 2 spoons of salt, 2.5 spoon of chili powder. And this chili is very spicy, so I would be adding a little less than what I have taken now. Maybe I will show you later. And I have taken some curry leaves. Just when I'm done with the frying, I'll just sprinkle a few on the top so that it gives a nice flavor. I've taken some 2 spoons of oil. Again, that is optional, but I always prefer to do that. I've taken some water. I'm not going to use the whole of it if it is not needed, so I've just taken 1 glass of water and some white vinegar. I'm going to add all the masalas, and then I'm going to make that masala ready first. Then I will dip the fish one by one into it. Then we'll keep it for a little while, like in an hour. That would be good enough. I'm going to add the turmeric. Then I'm going to add some chili powder. Like I said before, I'm going to add a little less than what I've taken, so it's almost 2 spoons that I've taken now. Now I'm going to add the salt that I've taken. I'm adding as it is. And then the coriander powder. Maybe you will be thinking, why I'm adding this coriander powder. I'm not sure whether everybody adds this coriander powder to their recipe. But I like to put this, it kind of subsides the chili, and also it kind of gives a different flavor. I'll add that the pepper powder that I've taken. Like I said, the fish fry masala is optional, but I'm going to add this here right now. The masala as it is, till the coriander powder how we added, it is good enough for us actually, but I'm just going ahead just to give a little different flavor, because I've tried both of it, just till the coriander powder that I've shown, along with the rest of the ingredients like the oil and the vinegar and the water. Okay, so right now I'm just going to mix a little bit. Okay, and once I mix this, I am going to add the oil I've taken, so you can add all of that. Vinegar, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. If you want to reduce the vinegar or you want to skip it, you can skip it. It depends on how you like that flavor. Then I'm going to add a little bit of water, and I will add it as and when it is required. And I'm going to bring it to a good consistency. So now I've almost finished mixing it. Like I said, I still have this little bit of chili powder that I have left. Just tasted that mix, whether it is good enough, whether it is too spicy, do I have to add anything else. I tasted it and it is just fine. I'm getting that flavor of the oil and the vinegar in it, and all the ingredients are just fine for me to go ahead with the marination. As you can see, I have kept another plate here, and I'm gonna take one by one, dip these fishes right in there. I usually put a cut on the fish so that the masala gets absorbed. Okay, I'm using my hand itself. I've tried with the spoon as well, but I like it when I kind of mix with the hand. So I put a good amount of masala in each fish, and looks like it is going to take a while I'm mixing it. So I have my daughter also helping me. My daughter is going to help me in mixing the marination over the fish, marinating the fish here, right here, all the masala on the fish. She's so helpful. Say hi.
Hi.
So I'm almost done with the last one, and if anything is left, I'm still going to damp it over the rest of the fish. So you can see here I've stacked and kept almost, and as I'm standing here, I can feel and I can smell that flavor from that masala, that vinegar. The taste of that smell of that vinegar is like so good. Meanwhile, I'm frying as well. Kind of take a glass of wine and have it, or sip a little beer or anything as such, and then have it as like it's too good. So it's almost marinated for an hour, and it looks so juicy, right? And I'm going to do a tawa fry on this so that it consumes less oil. If you want, you can fry it in the oil as well. That's up to you. However you want to do it, maybe you don't want to use the oil at all, you can still do this using your oven. If I have some more masala left over, what I do is I buy some more fish and I marinate. That's how I keep doing. But usually I try to use it for the same set of fish that I bought or I made it for. I took a pan and I added some oil. So now I'm going to take one by one. I will fry a few. I just keep a few in this. And I will do an open fry. I don't want to make it so crowded, so I'm leaving only few fishes. If you want, you can make it crowded, but then again it will be difficult when you try to flip it over. So let's wait for it to come to a good fry on one side, and then we will move to the then we'll flip and probably fry the other side. Right, so I just flipped it. It was actually not done. Maybe I was a little more curious to see whether it is done or not. So I kind of flipped it before even it was actually fried. I like it really deep fried, but it's up to you. You see, however how much deep fry you want, or you want a low to medium fry, you can go ahead and do that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, just because I flipped it, I'm just going to add a few curry leaves on that. This gives me a good flavor while I'm having it. So I'm just going to spread it on the fishes. It actually gives that good aroma to the fish. It adds the flavor to it. So that's all from my end today. Now it will put it in the plate. Actually, I think it is done. So I would just let it cook on a low flame for a little more while, so that aroma really comes through. So do let me know, try this and share your comments, and please feel free to give your honest feedback. I will work on it, and I will make it a point next time I try a different recipe for you, which will be more yummier than this. Hope you like this video. Thanks everyone. Subscribe my channel, like it and share it once again. Bye.